Are you trying to get to financial independence faster and be able to actually retire in the future? Financial independence isn't always about saving more money. Sometimes you have to look at ways to eliminate debt and do it fast. I'm going to show you an example of what I just showed a client who's looking at buying an investment property. We're going to end up paying this debt off in 2 years, which is going to save him about $180,000 in interest. My name's Sean Uehara. I've been a mortgage lender for almost 20 years. And what I'm going to show you is the best strategy that you need to understand to help you pay off debt faster, give you access to liquidity in your home, and help you build some wealth and stop throwing money away to the banks. Make sure to save this video and follow me because I show you strategies every single day on the First Lien HELOC so that way you can beat the bank. All right, here's our loan setup. So we're putting 25% down on this $250,000 property. I'm going to compare this to a 5.5% interest rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage because I know so many of you love a 30-year fixed mortgage. This client has a net deposit of what we're going to put on the HELOC of about $10,000 a month. He's got 20 grand sitting in his checking account. So all I'm doing is I'm reallocating that money from his checking into the HELOC. Now remember, the HELOC has access for 30 years. It's not a second mortgage or a traditional HELOC where you typically only have access for maybe 3 to 10 years. This is a first lien HELOC, so we have access for 30 years. So all we're doing is we're using the checking account that's tied to our HELOC and we're depositing 10 grand a month. We're going to pay all of our expenses from the HELOC, whether it's credit cards, utility bills, whatever it is. This guy has no debt whatsoever. So at the end of the day, he's got about $7,000 left over after he pays all of his expenses. Here's your 30-year fixed mortgage at 5.5%. You'd pay back about 380 grand worth of principal and interest. Here is our first lien HELOC. We're paying off that same $187,000 balance in 2 years, which will save him 180 grand in interest. And the interest rate that we're using to model this is an 8.3% interest rate on our HELOC. And I know so many of you are going to start crying to me in the comments that you'd rather take a 5% interest rate because it's a fixed rate mortgage. Or you can take the 8%, pay off the home in 2 years, and only pay $15,000 of interest. Who cares if it's an adjustable rate mortgage? We're eliminating debt so much faster than staying in your 30-year fixed loan. Your effective interest rate is 0.5%. 0.5%. You guys need to understand what effective APR means. APR on the effective rate, we're borrowing against ourselves to pay this off at less than 1%. I'm not even factoring in the rents on this home, so it's actually going to get paid off a lot faster. But if you stay in your fixed rate mortgage in 24 months, you can see here in our HELOC, our loan's completely paid off. We now have access to this $187,000 line of credit. My client's going to use this to go buy more rentals, or you can stay in your fixed rate loan at 5.5%. You would have only paid down $5,100 of principal, and you would still owe $182,000. This is what the bank wants you to do. They want you to stay in debt. This loan isn't about changing your lifestyle. This loan is about taking on more risk. This loan is about taking your current financial situation. If you're broke, you're going to be broke in this loan and it doesn't work. If you have excess cash flow that's sitting around doing nothing for you, great. This loan will do wonders for you. I just showed you this guy's going to pay his house off in 2 years. He can scale his portfolio so much faster than what he's been doing. And that's what I'm trying to teach you guys how to do. So look at this as an opportunity to stop throwing money away to the bank. Use this as a strategy that you can literally start building passive income, buy more properties, invest into a business, do anything that's going to create more wealth for yourself today versus waiting 30 years to pay off your house. And if you want to learn how to do this strategy, I will personally get on a Zoom call with you or someone on my team will, and we will walk you through your numbers. That way you can understand how much of a benefit this could potentially be for you. And if it's something that works, great. We can certainly help you. We can finance this loan to get you going. And if it doesn't work, we will know exactly why it doesn't work. And that's why we do these calls. So we don't charge anything for it. Either send me a DM or comment below. I'm happy to hop on a Zoom call with you to teach you how this works so you can start building some wealth.